Hello, in this video I am going to connect an ESP8266 and I am going to track a IP address and going to go to that IP address and I am going to visit that message is printing or not in IP address. I am going to copy the IP address and paste it over Chrome or internet browser, any internet browser. If I am pasting over there, then it should be showing a message. So we want to connect the Wi-Fi and password. This is my password and that is my Wi-Fi name. So that should be connected within our system and our ESP8266 also. So that only then only we will get this message connected to Wi-Fi. So this message we need to get means we want to connect the Wi-Fi, give the Wi-Fi password and name also in programming. So this will give the IP address of the IP address when we are connecting the ESP8266. So now we will see the program. We will dump the code into board. So I am selecting Node MCU 12E module because I am using an ESP8266 module. So I am selecting Node MCU and selecting port also. So now I am going to dump the code. So you can see after dumping the code, there IP address will be visited. The IP address will be came into the serial monitor. So I am dumping the code now. So after the serial monitor will show you the IP address. You just copy the IP address and paste it over any internet browsers. So then you can see a message that this is ESP8266. Some message I have printed. So now it's getting dumping. Now it's getting uploading means like uploading to the board. The code we have written here is getting uploading in the board. So that's the process. Uploading means after done uploading will come means the code got dumped. So 85% and now done uploading will come. So done uploading, done. Now we will open the serial monitor. So serial model will be visible right corner of the screen. So that is serial monitor. I am opening it. After opening the serial monitor, you can see the message like connecting to Wi-Fi, and after connected to Wi-Fi, the ESP8266 web server IP address came here. So copy this IP address. So I am copying this IP address and I am pasting or any internet browsers. I am using Microsoft Edge. So if we are pasting here means the message will be visited here. Hello ESP8266. So we are transferring the data to web server. This is the coding. Thank you.